Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Now, I don't look any different, but Miss VIP Dolls Jr. does, and that is because we are going camping in a heard
Yeah.
of a really scary house that is down there too. So I don't know what they mean by scary house, but we gotta get going. And we are
Let's go.
heading to the RV.
Let's see.
Why on? If
You got the same clothes.
Basically, hey, y'all, sit down. Sit down. Man, all y'all, sit down.
I
All
can't.
you guys
I
need to
need to
sit
sit in
down.
the front. I need to sit in the front seat. Let me sit in the front. I swear, if he gets my seat,
Dude, you need to...
finally.
Alright.
I'm watching my phone for the whole way. Just know that.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna call my friends. Do
Okay.
some TikToks. Don't know why.
Alright, and anyways, we are almost to our camping destination. That's that creepy house
What?
right there.
Oh, yeah.
Our camping destination is gonna be right up this hill.
Yay. Where's my room?
Oh, no, wait a minute. This is the wrong place.
How? Wait,
No, it's
wait.
actually all across the other side of Brookhaven.
I don't even know where bro went. Bro left. Okay.
Did you leave?
Yours. We
Okay.
seriously have to go all the way across Brookhaven.
As it said that creepy house is gonna be there.
Seriously?
So I don't know if this is the one they were talking about right here, or if it's that campsite that's right over there and next to RV parking. It's like that log cabin. Anyways, we're gonna drive through the middle of town.
We're here, I think.
We're not here. Oh yeah, we are here.
See? I'm gonna text my friends. Hi guys. Yes. I'm going camping.
RV park.
So,
Alright.
crap.
Okay, that
guys.
was the creepy house they were talking about over there.
Where?
That cabin over there.
It's not that creepy.
I
Just a
also
cabin.
heard there was a creepy
We're
doll.
staying right here anyway.
I also heard there was a creepy doll in there. We might have to go check that out later.
I'm taking a shower. Wait,
Maybe
no,
on
I'm
a
taking a.
chance of creepy campfires stories. Because this is our campsite that we have to work with. The RV.
Yeah, don't come in the bathroom in the camper. Yeah, don't even come in the camper at all. It's stinking up.
Hey, at least there's something like a door, you know. At least
There's
you're only
not
getting
even a door
dang,
in
at
the
least you're only
bathroom.
getting taking a shower. Holy crap, I can just okay. Alright, dude, where's the TV? Oh, there it is.
There is no TV. That's what's bad about this place, Dad.
It's right here. Thank goodness. Well, that other TV hasn't been working for a long time, and now I just bought a random TV for this occasion. Cry now. 1-800-CRY NOW.
Where are you going, Dad?
Oh, I forgot there was a skate park right here. Maybe we gotta try to
What is
leave.
this place? What is this place, literally, though? It's just a big ball of nothing, basically.
Yeah, it's the new skate park. The old one was better. So much better.
You left in?
You know,
Yeah, I'm
I
gonna
have
be
an
using
idea. I
this
have
to
an
get
idea.
around now.
There's nothing to do. Maybe we should go check out that cabin.
Seriously?
At
I don't
night.
want to be scared.
Maybe.
What the
Well,
frick?
now it's night, so I guess we can go check it out.
Yeah, I'm already way ahead of you. I'm swimming. I'm swimming. Swimming super fast.
Alright, and we're here.
I'm not.
Camp. Interesting.
It's not even that sad. Dawson.
It just gives me the chills about this place.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone's used this place for years.
Dad, I've seen something before on TikTok that there's a secret base up here. I think we should check it out.
Hey, yo, what is
Frick?
is it the doll that they've been posting about online that's actually Mr. Brookhaven's daughter?
Let me see. Yes, it is.
Oh, I don't have my phone with me, but my gosh.
I have mine. Here, check it.
And legends say that this was Mr. Brookhaven's daughter that after Mr. Brookhaven died, found out a spell to turn her into a doll to where she couldn't think about anything besides just haunting people. Just
Oh, well, yeah, don't mind me. I have an extra phone, so you can keep mine.
that might be bad luck. That actually might be bad luck.
Yeah.
Oh, I do have my phone in my pocket. Okay.
Give me my old one back. Yeah.
I already did.
Okay.
Cause you gotta say, Sigma.
We need to do some secrets here.
Oh, nothing's gonna happen up here.
What the frick? What the frick? I just saw the lights flicker. I literally just saw the lights flicker.
Yeah, I saw that too. You know what? Maybe we should go check out that other house. That other creepy house that we saw when we went to him.
Seriously?
That looks so much more creepy. Anyways,
Look at that light. What's... Wait, I heard... Guys, wait. Just a minute. I heard that legend says, if you put candles around the doll, she'll come to life.
oh my god. Are you kidding me?
We're doing it.
Start with the candle placing, I guess.
Evil doll, I summon the spirit of Brookhaven's daughter.
Oh my god, why, dude?
Pose 28, pose 28, pose 28.
Oh, that's not good now, is it?
Here, wait,
No,
let me research this.
let's research what that creepy house is. I'm gonna see if maybe this connects to anything in that house.
It says that if the light flickers... Wait, I hear that legend says the house is connected to that doll. And if you put candles around it and the lights flicker, it gives you a sign that it's...
Yeah, that's kind of weird. What? I'm not gonna think about it. I'm gonna keep my smile on. I did look up if this doll has anything to connect to that other creepy house, and apparently it does.
Yeah.
Should we go check it out?
Yeah.
Here, follow me.
Yeah. Let's go.
Well, I walked out the side door, but
It's a longer way. When you're left in the dust, I bet you sat by a sunflower. Wait for me, I'm slow.
let's hop in the RV. Let's go
I'm going to take a nap and watch TV.
while we are driving to it.
Yeah.
All right.
and watch my phone because it's comfy.
Just know you might not get, you know.
Oh,
Anyways, we're heading to that other creepy house. Which, by the way, Brookhaven is literally right where our camping site is. Here it is.
okay, let's go.
The door is wide
go.
open.
Yeah, it's literally wide open.
It says, do not
Oh my god.
forget to look in the yard.
Yeah,
That's
what's in?
interesting. What is this?
I don't even know.
What was that noise? What was that noise? Okay, that was a little creepy.
Let's just go in here. Come on, we're getting on a double motor. Okay, let's just go in here.
Okay, this is not that good. Anyways, well, you better put your chocolate on for this one,
Looks like
man.
the bathrooms. Wait, what's this? Is it supposed to turn on? What the
Whoa.
frick? What are these? Everyone, get a flashlight.
Y'all, dude. Okay, the lights are back on. We don't need them. Anyways, dude, this is like the lights are flickering like that other cabin.
Yeah.
Dude, that's super weird.
I'm just
What is
putting
this
this face
supposed to
on
be
because I'm
from-
scared, not because I'm actually a zombie.
Okay, we're in this room.
Wait.
Well, we gotta find this room.
Where'd you go?
This is already, one of these is apparently already out there. I'm right here. Let's go this way, maybe.
Okay, right, let's walk.
Yeah.
Dawson, I said
Yeah.
let's walk.
Let's continue on. Ew.
Which way? Oh, this way. Curve.
Okay.
Down here. Up again.
What
What's
is
that
this?
sign?
Agency.
Where'd you go? Where'd you
I'm right
go?
here.
Where'd you go?
I already did this
Which
one.
one?
Alright, you know what? This is that. Okay, I don't even know where I'm going. Oh my god, I'm going crazy.
We just went in a humongous circle. Dawson, other way. Come here.
No, wait.
We just went in a circle. Okay.
Anyway, let's, go this way.
Alright.
What on earth?
Wait. There's something over here. There's a big hole right here. I'm gonna
No
jump in
matter,
it.
dude. I'm gonna jump down it, even if I break.
Yeah, we found the room. For sure. What are these?
No.
There's a special code right here.
Wait, God, royalty, Queen, Mrs. Brookhaven, fear, and greed. Wait, so this would be fear right here. Wait, move.
Diva?
I know because I've spawned Mr. Brookhaven here. Fear, and then this one over here would be greed. Oh, I just passed it. Mr. Black. Greed.
So then we have to do this code. Everyone, just to let you know, we did this
Oh,
before.
crap. Thank God.
What the fuck? What is this button for, literally? stairs. I need to sit down.
Where?
What the frick?
You know what?
Frick.
It's not safe. We're going back to
Wait,
camping.
this
We're going back to
here.
camping. We're going back to camping. Bro, why did we just decide to
This.
master control?
Where are you? Where'd you go? You just left me. You just left me. Where are you?
No, we're going regular camping. We're getting the heck out of here.
Yeah.
I cannot. You know what? We're gonna
What's
shut
that?
Shut that now. You gotta
Let's go.
get rid of
This is
it.
creepy.
Oh heck no! I'm sick of
I
it.
need to sit in the bed. Let me lay in the bed.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just put my phone for some evidence about this.
I know you probably took like 47 pictures, but
Yeah.
well, we're
Just
done with camping. We're done with camping. We're going home.
Yeah, let's go home finally. So yeah, I'm posting every single picture on your Facebook account and Instagram account.
Do it. I didn't even know I had an Instagram account, but still do it.
So yeah, post that, post the weird room, the fire. Yeah. Okay, I need to get out of my camping outfit, literally. I do not like my camping outfit no more.
I don't even want to do camping anymore. What's kind of weird? What is going on in Brookhaven? You know what? I have an idea. Let's take out the car to the outskirts of Brookhaven. And then we'll come back home.
Seriously?
Yeah, the outskirts of Brookhaven. That'll be fine. Alright, yeah, we're heading. I never turned off the TV. Anyways, we are gonna go. I heard Mr. Brookhaven had an old house over here. Back here in the outskirts. You see that in the distance? You see that house in the distance?
Yeah. I need to look around that house. See if anything has to do with the book. Okay, let me go. I need to see this. Let's look around here.
And there's a fridge. Whoa, hold up. There's a message. Hold on, let me pull out my binoculars.
Wait. Bruh.
Whoa. Madison, I apologize. Please. Madison, I apologize for leaving, but was necessary to prevent the agency from harnessing the full power of the crystal.
Wait.
They will.
So Madison's the doll.
They will have to. No, it's the mom. Remember, Mrs. Brookhaven is Madison. Like Madison is named after her. Of the crystal, they will have to experiment now. So Red River has been inactivated. Avoid the agency at all costs. Red River. Dude, we have to make a whole video regarding secrets that Brookhaven holds. I have not even thought about this.
This is way longer than 20 minutes, just so you know that.
19 minutes, by the way. Man, that's weird, man. We just found this.
Wait, the Red River.
A red lake map.
The boat used to be Mr. Brookhaven's, right?
Lake Madison or the ocean, maybe?
Lake Madison.
Or the ocean. But this was probably from a long time ago. So I don't think there was a red Lake Madison and the ocean's blue. So I think whatever this Red River crap is going on, it's over. And you know what? I feel like I've seen something weird in the hospital before. You know what?
Wait, let's see this.
Wait, I remember something. Really?
Wait, what? Wait, let me look at this. Why is the skull thing?
I just jumped behind. I don't know. Or 4. Everyone said this time would be different. Nevertheless, history did repeat itself. I cannot pinpoint the power source. However, it looks like to be beyond this world. Maybe history will show us the way.
Wait, pause
What
that,
is
pause that.
What
I
is
just found a red button somewhere. I see it, but I can't tap on it. It's right here somewhere.
I found a blue button. It's underneath
Wait,
the desk.
underneath it.
What
Click on. Oh my god! I just clicked on it.
Why
What the?
is my hand going? Why is the power offline? What on earth? No, this is not normal. What have I done? What have we done? Why is my hand glowing? Wasn't this supposed to be a camping thing? You know what? No. Come over here. There's a blue button under this table.
Click it. I just clicked it.
The red river. Lake Madison. This is hinting to something.
And the
Ooh,
sign, if
what is
it
this? What is
helps,
this?
the sign is red on the Lake Madison.
I know, true. Oh, I never thought about that. What is this?
It's a camera for something.
It's not doing anything when I click on it. Dude, something's happening in the hospital. There might be something there. I just feel it. You know?
Mhm.
Also, my car is still at the hospital, so I'm gonna have to get my nice thing out. You know what
Hoverboard.
about?
I'm gonna
I've
play
said this
some
many
music.
times. What are you singing music on?
Let's go in one of the secret areas, see if there's any information. There probably is some
Wait,
information
outside.
in there.
Outside. Come outside in the emergency side. Have you ever noticed a hole in the roof? I've not. Well, I guess it's the holy agency in my pints. It's the agency? Observation room.
I'm gonna tap on this. Why is there a gun right here?
Oh no. Okay, it's 12 a.m. now. I'm wondering what on earth. Why is that thing that said agency? You know what? No, for protection, I am taking this gun. If anything comes out at me, you are. Bam, bam, bam.
If anything comes. Bam, 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 bam.
Okay, that doesn't mean you shoot me. Oh! No! It's like it was meant for me. The museum is here. Oh gosh.
Wait, you look in the museum and I'll look in the school.
Wait, no. There's an empty space. Come here.
No.
There's an empty space. Like something was supposed to be artifact there.
What?
Maybe like this. Click it. I gotta put it there. Put it in there. Greed, fear. What? You might want to look at this.
Dawson, I have a question. Dad, I have a question.
What?
My question is, how come these two never appear? So, see, remember?
Wait, let me place that book back there because I feel like these. See how these are also now hashtags like these.
Yeah.
Let me just. Don't even care about Mr. Burger. All right. We heard to look over here. Yeah, nothing changes.
Happened. Dawson, if you remember, I think you recorded this, but we found this in the castle when we were doing the castle video. We found this.
No, it wasn't even a video. We saw this in the castle. And come here. Just follow me. Kind of answering the rhythm here. If you go up here, I got a house.
Yeah.
And remember, it was the abandoned RP set. I never showed you this. But there's a series of things you need to do in this one right here. In this one right here.
I think I already saw that.
Have you solved this?
Oh, wait, no, I don't.
Look
I
at
feel
this.
like I've seen this. Cause, like,
Look
we
at
read
this.
the note together.
What? Here, look. It's a note. Brother, why do you fight against good? For it is the only way back which we came. Mr. Brookhaven. Okay, I thought we were just gonna go camping. No, apparently we're not. We just came home and now we're investigating about some random dude that died probably 20 years ago.
You might want to come up here.
Holy crap.
We explored this. I feel like there was something by the fridge.
There is no dang fridge here.
Yes, there is. I saw.
What are we supposed to do? Click on that paper downstairs? No, it's over here. Well, be sure it made a noise.
No.
Well, for me it did. You don't have your volume up.
I can't when I'm on a call.
You know what? What did I do? Oh, one is done.
Wait, how?
Look,
What'd you do?
I clicked the paper. And it had the message on it. Hallelujah. It's becoming day. It only took them like 5 years.
No, it didn't.
Feels like it.
Wait, what's back here? Is anything back here?
One of these coffins, I think, you have to stick in.
It's really weird because I went in one of the coffins. See, I just went in this one. I
know, you can go in them all. I'm wondering, like, what could Mr. Brookhaven be hiding here?
I don't know.
Or could he be hiding something? Like, what is with this suspicious one black candle in the middle of the room? Like, that's kind of random. I would not want to have a candle in the middle of the room. It's not my cup of tea, but, you know.
Yours.
Sure. There's a ladder around back of it. There is no ladder. I saw there was a ladder around here a while back. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, what is this? Like, why is there this open agency coffin?
Where are you?
Downstairs. I don't know. This VIP Dogs Jr.
What?
Come on, you gotta stay around here where I am because this is creepy. Like, connecting this to all the things that we've seen. Dude, thank God it's day though. Like, seriously. What? Like, there's supposed to be something. Interesting.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Come on, why do I feel like something is connected to all of this? Do I need the book to sit in one of the closets? Why do I feel like there's something? Something feels just off here.
But
Feeling of no, I just have that feeling about this. Why is there one black candle down here too? I clicked it.
I don't know.
So there's supposed to be a note here. Dude, I could have sworn I was just here like 2 weeks ago. And
There's
fire.
a guy that joined us that said, "Where are you?"
Jax, it's Mateo. I'm gonna do with not very specific and just say 11. Uh,
They're not even on anymore, bro. Wait, let's look outside for any information.
I'm thinking information would be outside though. I've never seen anything outside.
There could be something in the bushes.
Haven't seen anything in these bushes since I was here like 5 years ago.
I gotta stare at this thing real good.
Yeah, Pete House Jr., I might know one thing about doing these types of things.
What?
Read some sort of
Hey,
picture.
stupid thing, you just moved.
What thing?
That bush on the ceiling.
What do you mean you just moved? It just moved.
This just glitched.
No, you did? Glitch it?
It glitched. It like went away, then it came back.
This is basically the algorithm of my channel.
Hmm.
I'm doing some roleplay with my dang daughter's with me while I'm trying to figure out this. I don't know what to think anymore.
Where are you? Oh, right there. Why are these doors taken off? And how come these doors are the nicest thing in this house? They don't even have one single scratch.
True. That is true. Also, downstairs. Like none of these upstairs. There's an agency coffin. It's this one.
Oh, I never noticed that. And it's opened.
Mm-hmm.
There's some green muck inside of it.
Yeah, it's probably some disgusting stuff that we don't want to mess with.
Probably Mr. Brookhaven's grave.
I wouldn't say so. Mr. as Jr. though, actually though, that was a horrible thought. I don't think Mr. Brookhaven was buried here. I think he's buried in the graveyard, you know.
No, wait, not.
He
There's
was,
people in that graveyard that say, "Let me out now."
yeah, I think it's Mr. B, maybe.
No, it's not. Wait, what's this mysterious button right here? Click it.
I don't know. You know what? Only one thing in this house made it. Only one thing in this house made it sound we're going home. Well, what a chilling video we've done today. But hey, all goes well. Have a great time. Make sure to like and subscribe. This video's gone well, and we'll see you in the next video.